You will be amazed by this 2022 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety, the Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Make excellence your personal standard. Choose the Tucson. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.